KhaChe Phalu jikde lende zilugi labja liu nga ba yarka chakdang kunga zala de yargun mebar marbu jila de ningdam ningi chokla shuzui ki nga to gongdar songwa mangbu yu silngu mila zhugu chungyang chul zhubu lagyang zene niba ri ningdam mila zhuju mangchana langu kala chungne dugu yung tamgi dubu ningi dongdu chu kala chakdang jila gongcha gyub dubu dongne shona mipu su erzi cheba zamgi jila pen mi shu gu shu shu yung mangchana mila ma shu sirge dugu yung nana jila takbu ma jemna riri ula oge su yung ma she tamdi kadu she she ri she ne dugu chungna tamele ma she pardo tamla rawang top she ne tamgi wangdo shugen chu sangbo yung la nyemba lam nichi sangbo lapcha nyembe dala jo tele sangye sangma sangbo yung sangbo dango nyembe dogbe dun tamla changwe midi simne chang simba changna chugi lamna sim tata tele pugyu kijang ki bichi nigi samdun lungi juk KhaChe Phalu dodang nangyu tuk karbu tokdo nagu teja se timi sawu teja sayi tok zamning mani samlu tensu zu.
Watch metal in summer and clay in winter. Watch your red tongue year-round. Don't tell too many of your innermost secrets to close friends. Friends in the morning often become enemies by the evening. If you need to, entrust your gold and silver to someone else. Even if they spend it, you can still get it back. But if you entrust your innermost secrets to too many people, you'll be stuck with your fingers in your mouth. Knot up your speech and keep it deep in your heart. Lock up your mouth and tongue. If the knot loosens, somebody could get killed. Just saying, oh, what's the point? If you run your mouth too much, you have to keep saying, don't tell. If you don't control your oblong tongue, you'll have trouble with your round head. Things you haven't said yet, you can say anytime you want. Saying things you regret is the worst thing to do. Before you say it, you are in control of the conversation. After saying it, you're ruled by it. There's a great danger of all kindness being called bad. Kindly giving advice can produce enemies and bad actions. Nevertheless, protect everyone, good and bad, with kindness. Kindness blocks the bad actions of an enemy's leader. For someone who speaks honestly, honesty comes from their heart. With an honest heart, one starts on the road to the teachings. Compared with the current happiness, their future will be even happier. Now and in the future, they'll naturally accomplish the goals and wishes. You've met KhaChe Phalu's pen, ink, and hopes. Black writing is clear on white. The writer may be on the ground, but the writing will be above. Until the world ends, please remember my thoughts.